Here's an interesting cabbage fact. Cabbage is very good for those people on a diet because it has a very low calorific quantity. Here's an interesting cabbage fact. Did you know that cabbage is very low in calories and it's very good for people who are on a diet? However, it can make the digestive system quite gaseous. So, although you may lose some pounds and look fabulous, I don't think you'll have many friends. Hello and welcome to the channel Gang and Peanut, two peas in a pod. And today is the beginning of March and spring is beginning to sprung. Oh, it's got a little bit cooler. Now, when you're sowing seeds in March, you need to be aware of the last frost dates in your area. And you can go online and you... Now, when sowing seeds in March, which is the conventional time of the year to be sowing the majority of seeds, you have to be aware of the frost dates or the last frost date in your area. And where I am in the UK, in the southeastern sea, there's quite a few lumpy bumpy bits left behind. And as I grow my potatoes in them, I think I'm going to call them spud lumps. So that looks nice and soft and friable and easy for the roots of the new. Here's an interesting cabbage fact. Here's an interesting cabbage fact. Did you know that in China, about 1000 BC, it was said that cabbage was a cure for baldness? I might give it a go. These are my baby plants, aren't they? What kind are they? Do you know?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes. What we're going to do is we're going to put these baby tomato plants into some bigger pots so that they grow into bigger tomato plants. You want to help me do that next time? Okay, that'll be good.
Yeah, and what are the others?
Well, we'll have a look in a while. If I planted a seedling in that and it's half full and it then grew out and I put some more compost in, if you look at these tomato plants, you can see that they have tiny hairs along the stems. And once your seedlings are through and they're growing on into healthy plants, don't worry, I'll be making some more videos to guide you through the stages of growing tomatoes. That's it, good job. Remember where you're going to water.
On the compost.
On the compost, that's right. Right you are. And if you do the bigger ones for me.
We need, these big ones need a lot.
Need more water than the little ones, yeah.
Is this enough?
I think that'll be okay.
Maybe a bit more on this side.
Okay.
Because he didn't get any on this side. Is there any on the leaves?
No, none on my leaves, that's good.
Ooh.
Tell me what you're doing.
I'm watering the plants for Gang.
Good boy. The edges are getting a bit sharp and damaged, and because Peanut likes to eat these strawberries, I don't really want him near a sharp a sharp edge like that on the container. So it's no problem. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take these strawberries out of this container and I'm going to put them into these containers like this. And I got these for free, and I'll tell you how I got them for free. Same way that I got these and these. That is a little vine weevil grub. Horrible little critters, but hey, I spotted him. He's not going to be eating my strawberry plants. So, one down. What are we doing today?
So, today we are going to plant some big or little potatoes.
So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be growing 2 buckets of potatoes, and I'm going to use 2 slightly different methods to grow them. Morning. Whew, it's a lovely day today. The rains have stopped. The sun's come out. The temperatures have come up a bit. So let's get them staked up and let's see if we can get these little chaps growing away, shall we? We just need to leave these guys now to do their thing. Brilliant. So, that's that done. 1 row of peas planted in my raised bed in the garden. All supported and all ready to kick on and start growing and give me some fantastic peas, hopefully, in the early summer. Now,
hello, I'm Pina.
what are we doing today?
We're growing some potatoes.
Which ones? These ones. Do you know what they're called? Do you remember? Pentland.
Pentland potatoes.
That's right. Now do we know if they're ready to plant?
Because the chips.
The chips are ready, that's right. So where are we going to plant them, do you think?
We're going to plant them in some dirt.
In some dirt. That's a good idea. Good morning. Welcome to the channel. Gang and Peanut, 2 peas in a pod. I'm at my allotment today because I'm planting potatoes the easy way. I'm going to be planting some of these. Good morning. Welcome to the channel. Gang and Peanut, 2 peas in a pod, and thank you very much for watching. I'm at my allotment today and I'm going to be planting some of these, and I'm going to be using 1 of these, and I'm going to be planting my potatoes the easy way. There we go. And it's a balanced fertiliser, NPK ratio of 777. So that's 7 for nitrogen, 7 for potassium, and 7. So the fertiliser I used in the planting hole is this one, and it's a NPK value of 777. So that should just give me a little bit of an extra oomph. And the slug pellet, not sure. Yeah, a couple of those will do that in that one. Move those out of the way. So I'll go. The next job I'm going to do is I'm going to sow some more of those spring onions. I do like the leaves on the beetroot. They're very tasty when they're young. And they have that beetroot taste. Now, if you like my videos, please give me a big thumbs up or hit the subscribe button down the bottom there somewhere, or leave a comment and we will get back to you as soon as we possibly can. So until next time, as ever, take care. Bye.